Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard versus Modern Warfare 3 to help you decide which is better. Both games offer distinct Call of Duty experiences, from their settings to their core mechanics. We will delve into what makes each title unique, examining their multiplayer maps, weapon customization, and movement systems. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which game aligns more with your preferred playstyle. Vanguard immerses players in a World War II setting, launching with 20 diverse multiplayer maps, including 16 core maps and 4 for Champion Hill. A standout feature is combat pacing, letting you choose between tactical, standard, or blitz experiences. Its destructible environments add a dynamic layer, allowing you to break through walls and create new sightlines. The gunsmith system is robust, offering up to 10 attachment slots per weapon for deep customization. Modern Warfare 3 brings back a familiar feel with 16 remastered core multiplayer maps from a beloved previous title. It reintroduces the classic minimap, showing red dots for unsuppressed enemy fire, a highly requested feature. Player health is increased to 150, leading to more engaging gunfights. Movement mechanics are also refined, featuring slide canceling, faster mantling, and an extended tactical sprint for fluid gameplay. Ultimately, your choice depends on your preferred Call of Duty experience. Vanguard delivers a World War II setting with unique combat pacing and destructible environments, offering dynamic gameplay. Modern Warfare 3, on the other hand, focuses on a modern setting, bringing back classic minimap features and refined movement mechanics like slide canceling. Both offer extensive weapon customization and a large number of maps, so consider which era and gameplay style appeals most to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.